In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to easily find the WordPress login URL. How do I log into WordPress? That's one of the most common WordPress questions that we get asked. Beginners often have a hard time finding their WordPress login page URL, and this prevents them from working on their website. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your WordPress login URL. I'll also show you different ways to log into your WordPress admin area. So, right here I have my website open. Now, to log into the backend or the dashboard of my website, all I have to do is go to the website URL, and then type /admin here. And this will redirect you to the WordPress login page. If this doesn't work, then type /login instead. And if even that doesn't work, then you can try by typing wp-login.php. Now, if you also have a subdirectory on your site, then your URL will look like this. It's the name of the subdirectory followed by the main directory in the URL, and then just type /admin. Now, also, whenever you log into the dashboard, make sure to click on the Remember Me button. By doing this, WordPress will remember your login credentials for the next 14 days. If you want your login credentials to be remembered for a longer period of time, then you can install a plugin for it. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. Go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Remember Me and press Enter. This is the plugin that you can install. Now, I'll also show you how to add the login option on your menu. Go to Appearance, then click on Menu. And here we'll add a custom menu item. In the link, type in the URL of your site and then type /admin. In the link text, type Login here. Then click on Add to Menu. As you can see, the menu item was added. Now, click here to save the menu. And let's open the website to see it. As you can see, the Login button was added here. If you want to know how to add buttons in WordPress menu items like you see here, we have a video explaining how you can do that too. I'll link it in the description below. Or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, finally, I'm going to show you how to add the login button on your WordPress sidebar. Back in the dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Widgets. Then click here to add a new block in the sidebar. And in the search bar, type Login. Click on the Login/Logout item, then click on Update. Now, let's go back to the site. I'm just going to reload this page. And as you can see, the Login/Logout button was added to the sidebar. This is how you can find the WordPress login URL. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.